Welcome to sureshbhattclasses. We are solving question on LCM. Our question is, find the least number which when diminished by 11 is divisible by 15, 35, 72 and 96. The given options are option A 10,091, option B 11,081, option C 12,671, option D 15,079. Before solving this question, I request you to please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. We can solve this question from the given options. On observing the numbers 15, 35, 72 and 96, if we divide the given options after subtracting 11 from the options, then the numbers given in the option must end with 0. Because if the numbers have to be divisible by 15 and any even number, that is 72 or 96, then it must end with 0. For being divisible by 15, the number must end with 5 or 0. But if it has to be divisible by 72 and 96, then that number must end with 0, not with 5 or any other digit. Further, as 72 and 96 both are divisible by 4, so the number must also be divisible by 4, as well as it should be divisible by 9, as the number is divisible by 72. We subtract 11 from the option 1 and the number becomes 10080. So it is divisible by 4 and the sum of the digits is 8 plus 1 is 9. So it is divisible by 9 and it's also ending with 0. So option A might be our answer. Now we check all other options. We subtract 11 from option B. Then this number becomes 11070. This cannot be our answer because it's ending with 70 and 70 is not divisible by 4. So option B cannot be our answer. Now we subtract 11 from the option C and the number becomes 12660. This is ending with 0 and the 60 is divisible by 4. Now we have to check the sum of the digits. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15 and 15 is not divisible by 9. So option C cannot be our answer. And option D, if we subtract 11 from 79, it is 68. And 68 is not ending with 0. So option D cannot be our answer. It means that option A must be our answer. If we are able to solve the question from the given options, then we should select the option and save our time and go to the next question in any competitive exam. Now I erase these numbers and we will solve it by regular method. We write all the numbers 15, 35, 72, 96. On observing the numbers 72 and 96 both are divisible by 24. So we directly divide it by 24. We write 15 as it is. We write 35 as it is. 24 divides 72 for 3 times and 96 for 4 times. Now 15 and 3 are divisible by 3. So we divide these by 3. 3 divides 15 for 5 times. We write 35 as it is. 3 divides 3 for 1 time. We write 4 as it is. Now we divide by 5. 5 divides 5 for 1 time and 5 divides 35 for 7 times. We write 1 as it is and 4 as it is. Now 7 and 4 are co-prime numbers. So we can directly find the LCM by multiplying these numbers. So LCM equal to 24 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 4. 24 times 3 is 72. 72 times 5 is 360. 360 times 4 is 1440. Now we multiply 1440 by 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 4 is 28. We write 8 and carry 2. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 2 is 30. We write 0 and carry 3. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10. So our LCM is 10,080. Now, as per the condition given in the question, we have to add 11 to this number. Therefore, 10080 plus 11 equal to 10091. We had added 11 because on dividing this number by 15, 35, 72 and 96 must leave the remainder 11, or on subtracting 11 from this number, the number must be divisible by these numbers. That's why we have added 11 to it. So our answer is 10091 or 10,091. And from the given options, our answer is option A, 10091. I hope you have understood the shortcut method of finding the answer from the options and the regular method by which we have solved this question. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thanks for watching.